This 4th of July, Westgate Manufacturing proudly celebrates America's 250th birthday, a milestone that honors innovation, hard work, and the spirit that continues to drive our nation forward. As we celebrate this historic occasion, we're also marking exciting milestones across Westgate. Our shipping department joined the celebration with patriotic packaging updates, featuring commemorative pallet stickers, themed UPS shipments, and complimentary collectible magnets included with customer orders. Throughout our headquarters, employees came together to celebrate with a festive 4th of July office party, recognizing the incredible team behind everything we do. We're excited to introduce the new Westgate Signature Collection, featuring our premium black polos that showcase the pride, professionalism, and quality behind the Westgate brand. You can wear the Westgate Signature look too. The polos are officially available for purchase through the Westgate Brand Store. We're excited to welcome 4 new regional sales managers, expanding our nationwide sales team and strengthening the support we provide to customers across the country. As America celebrates 250 years of innovation and opportunity, Westgate remains committed to delivering industry-leading lighting solutions while investing in our people and the future. From everyone at Westgate Manufacturing, we wish you a safe and happy 4th of July and a happy 250th birthday, America. Westgate Manufacturing, America's most dependable lighting.